Since 2017, Labgene Biotech embarked on an ambitious mission, fueled by innovations and unwavering dedications. Our tireless research and commitment culminated in a pivotal moment when Labgene proudly introduced a comprehensive range of in-house developed rapid test kits. Entering the manufacturing realm, we set ourselves the highest standard, meeting the stringent requirements of global health authorities like WHO, CE, and US FDA. Our team embodies precision and dedication, meticulously assembling each rapid test kit with utmost care, ensuring the highest level of reliability and integrity. We are certified with ISO 13485 and ISO 8 for quality management system and environmental management system. Our dedicated quality control team rigorously evaluates every key, maintaining our uncompromising standards to guarantee the reliability of each product. Innovating today paves the way for a healthier tomorrow.